Gmail has an infinite number of tools that allows you to improve your daily work productivity. However, many people do not know some of them, and if they knew them, they would surely be using them frequently. The first trigger function comes at the moment when an email is sent, but if by accident you forgot to attach a file or mention a subject, well, it is important to know that when a Gmail email is sent, you have 5 seconds to cancel it. If within those 5 seconds you do not cancel it, it will be sent without return. If you want to increase the period of cancellation of sending, go to Settings, then in View All Settings and then in the item on the setting you can change this period of time that allows you to cancel the mail. Another useful feature of Gmail Mail is that you can set an email to be deleted in a certain time range. To do this, when you have your mail ready to send, go to the button in the icon of Enable or Disable the confidential mode. Then you can modify the expiration. You can set it for a day, a week, a month, 3 months, or 5 years. And finally, you can generate a password in case the mail is of high confidential level. Simply select Password by MSS and Google will send you a password by text message with an automatically generated password. This password will be sent to the recipient's phone number. The email will ask the recipient for that password so that can view the confidential email. Remember to keep updated on the latest features of applications such as Gmail that Google can offer. Surely, you can continue to find applications that help you make your day-to-day more productive.